guys, welcome back to Nouheez channel. Hope you're all doing good. And as you guessed in the title, today I'm gonna be reviewing the Revlon one-step volumizer, the famous brush. Everyone was trying it, so I thought why not, because I wanted to straighten my hair and I found it really hard to stretch my curls, and yeah, why not try something new which might be helpful to actually straighten my hair quickly and easy at home. I really want to see it how it works in real, not just like sponsored videos, because they don't show the reality. So this video is not sponsored and I bought it with my own money and I want to try it and see if it works for my curly hair. So if you want to watch this video and see the results at the end, keep on watching. So this is the brush. It's really big and we have like two settings. Just gonna show you here, two settings. And the brush, we have some bristle here, which I really like because curly hair likes bristle brushes, because these brushes normally they just pull the hair, but the bristles inside it, it's what's gonna do the trick. And yeah, so as you can see, it's the size of my hand. It's really massive, which is gonna make it easier for us curly hair because we have big clumps on our hair, so it's gonna be easier like to take just a big chunk of hair and just straighten it. Yeah, so I'm excited to actually give it a try. We're gonna start with the heat protector, which I got from Superdrug. It's argan oil cream of nature. Actually, I don't know how healthy is this one, but if you want to go the healthy way, there is another one. I can't remember the name now. I really cannot remember, but it's quite expensive. Anyway, I'm just gonna remember the name and just write it on the description box. This one is quite thick, so I'm just gonna use a little tiny bit. Consistency is really thick, it's barely moving, so you only need tiny bit of it, as you don't want your hair to be sticky. I'm just gonna take off my ring because it's annoying. Alright, so I washed my hair yesterday and I didn't put any products except my leave-in. I put a leave-in, but I put like this much leave-in. I didn't put too much because I don't want my hair to be greasy after straightening, because when I straighten my hair, normally my hair goes really sticky and oily, like, and one day it goes oily, which I hate. So yeah, I just put like a little bit of leave-in conditioner. Now it's like 90% dry. It's not fully dry, but 90% dry, because I think it's gonna work much better if it's like a little bit wet. Even it's recommended to use it on dry hair, but I prefer to use it on a little bit wet hair so it just can work properly. And because normally when I blow dry my hair, I blow my dry. What am I saying? I don't know what I'm saying. Anyway, so normally when I blow dry my hair, I use it on wet hair. So I'm just trying to do the same thing and start from, I hate sectioning my hair. I don't know how to section my hair, so I'm just gonna like, should I start from the back or from the front? I don't know where to start from, but I think I'm gonna take this much. Let me just like try to section my hair nicely. All right, so I'm just gonna take a clip and clip it. I've done yesterday Dermapen micro needling on my face, so it's quite red, and you can see the scars and everything because of the micro needling. Yep, so never mind, I don't want to put like any makeup on my face because I'm trying to heal my skin. It's good not to put any foundation on or anything on your skin after micro needling. Oh, just a quick tip on my straightening video. Another thing with this brush, I've seen a lot of people saying that it's really noisy, so I do agree with them because it's really quite loud, but I don't mind that. If you mind this is not for you, but if you're okay with the noise, then it's fine. And I don't see any problem with it. I'm just gonna give you a hint. So this is how much it sounds, but I'm gonna mute you because I don't want you to hear all this noise. First of all, before starting, I am going to brush. What just happened? I think I need to separate this one and take like small sections because it's quite heavy. Guys, did you like my look? This is the results of today. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. No.
Original. That's a bad man, but drop the plate. And a bad man, but drop the plate. Original bad man. That's a bad man, but drop the plate. And a bad man, but drop the plate.
Just say no.
That's a bad man, but drop the plate. And a bad man, but drop the plate.
Just say
That's a bad man, but drop the plate. And a bad man, but drop the plate.
Original bad man.
That's a bad man, but drop the plate. And a bad man, but drop the plate.
Alright, let's see the first section. Oh my god, guys, look at this results. Let me just give you a close up. Guys, this is really working. Look at the ends. I mean, took me like 5 minutes. No, I think it took me like 5 minutes to do this section. As you can see the result, look at the ends. They give me like that wavy look. It's not like stiff or anything like the flat iron. When you flat iron and it's just like stiff, this one is like there is some movement. I like it. This place right here, it's really hot, so don't forget, don't touch this part, because I keep thinking like this part is not hot and I just touch it and it's burning. So if you have like any gloves, actually they should have gave some gloves with it so you can touch this part. But yeah, if you have like any gloves, just wear them for protection.
Me hypnotize. Them a make a bad man feel alright. Yeah. Man, I tell her me she go low. Say you gonna get me when I'm on low. Man, I tell her me she go low. Bad man, I put you in a photo. I countdown, she a put me on a rundown. Go down, she a give me on a low now. Go now, anywhere you wanna go now. Bad man, me a put you on a first class.
No, 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 no.
She say that a bad man mash up the place, and a bad man mash up the place.
She say
That a bad man mash up the place, and a bad man mash up the place. She say that a bad man mash up the place, and a bad man mash up the place.
So baby, what you gonna do? Calling all your friends when they come through. So you give me your number one I control.
I'm hot. It does make you really, really hot. Yeah. As you can see, my face started turning red, but I can see the results is amazing. Let me just I want to see it in the mirror. Yeah, the only hard thing is the roots. It's a bit hard. As you can see, roots are still a bit wavy. I'm gonna try and do my roots still a bit wavy, but actually I'm not gonna focus too much on the roots because these roots are not gonna show. I'm only gonna focus on the roots that are on the top of my head, which are gonna show. I'm gonna fix them properly, but this one can't be bothered, so I'm just gonna leave them like that. Guys, look at the shrinkage. My hair and the shrinkage. Curls, problems. I like to roll my hair like this way, I don't know, I feel like it makes it more smoother and softer, and at the same time it's like I'm blocking the moisture. I know there's no moisture, but it's like if I'm blocking something. Girls, I think you will understand what I'm talking about. Girls who get it, get it. Girls who don't get it, don't.
See the girls, them a got me hypnotized. Them a make a bad man feel alright. Yeah, yeah. Man, I tell her me she go low. Say you gonna get me when I'm on low. Man, I tell her me she go low. Bad man, I put you in a photo. Countdown, she a put me on a rundown. Go down, she a give me on a low now. Go now, anywhere you wanna go now. Bad man, me a put you on a first class.
No, 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 no.
She say that a bad man mash up the place, and a bad man mash up the place.
She say
That a bad man mash up the place, and a bad man mash up the place. She say that a bad man mash up the place, and a bad man mash up the place.
So baby, what you
Guys, it's a workout, but I think it's worth it. Literally. It's very quick, and I don't even think that I need any flat iron or anything, because the result is amazing. The brush itself is already doing the job. Look at the difference between my hair. Guys, you see the difference between my hair? I think I'm gonna do the back first. Finish the back, then go to the front, because the back is the difficult one. So I better start with it, finish it off, then come gradually to the front section. I need another brush. Okay guys, I think I'm gonna use this brush. I haven't showed you this brush right here. This one, I use it for my hair. It's flexible, it doesn't pull your hair, so it's really good if you have curly hair. I'm just gonna show you how it works. If I go on the tangles, it just like goes over it and it doesn't pull it like this, like it just keeps going even though. But if I put this one right here and there is tangles, it's gonna stop, like it's gonna stop and pull the tangle away. But this one, it's more like smoother and softer.
Calling all your friends when they come through. So they give me your number one I control. So you really meant for the girls when they come through. Come through. Bad man, say she want, say she really want, say she try to be the one. Calm down, take it slow. Say the girl, let me come in on me yard, them a give me low. If you tripping, let me know what you really want. Is it riding with me or you really dirt? Them a girls, them a tell me that you really not. Make up your mind, let me know if you really got.
No, 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 no. She say yeah,
Bad man turn up the vibe, bad man turn up the vibe.
Original bad man
turn up the vibe, bad man turn up the vibe. Bad man turn up the vibe, bad man turn up the vibe.
Alright guys, my last section, and then we're gonna finish this part right here.
A bad man mash up the place, and a bad man mash up the place.
Just say no, 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 no.
A bad man mash up the place, and a bad man mash up the place.
Just say yeah,
a bad man mash up the place, and a bad man mash up the place.
Original bad man.
A bad man mash up the place, and a bad man mash up the place.
Body nice. See I got them here, them are moving right. See the girls, them a got me hypnotized. Them a make a bad man feel alright. Ooh, yeah, yeah. Man, I tell her me she go low. Say you gonna get me when I'm on low. Man, I tell her me she go low. Bad man, I put you in a photo. I count down, she a put me on a rundown. Go down, she a give me on a low now. Go down anywhere you wanna go now. Bad man, me I put you on a first class.
no, 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 no.
I finished this section. Look at the difference. This is the part not done, and this is the one that's done. I tried my best to reach my roots. As you can see, my roots are a little bit wavy. I tried my best to straighten it from here, but obviously they won't straighten because the brush is so huge. As you can see, it's impossible to straighten this part, so you might like just leave it like this if you don't mind it, or just flat iron it, or you can use like a blow dryer with a small brush. You have so many options to fix that part. And yeah, overall I am impressed with the results. It's probably took me like 15 minutes to do this part, and I still have another 15 minutes. So wish me luck. I will do my other side and be right back. Guys, look at the results. I'm actually impressed. I like how voluminous, and the blow dry effect I am actually living for. I really like it, and I'm just gonna show you real quick. So my review about this brush is worth it, and I wasn't expecting the results to be like this because I tried so many brushes before. They never gave me this results, and this one is actually worth it. It's really worth the price. Approved by me. If you have curly hair and struggling to straighten your hair, this is a really quick and easy way to blow dry your hair. Took me 15 minutes each, so it's really not that much for my hair. I'm really impressed, you guys. This is the end of my video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give me some likes and some beautiful comments like you, and see you in my next video. Bye.